In this vlog, we will see how to make a date and time picker in Flutter application. So, date and time is a general requirement whenever you are trying to make an application where you need to fill the details of a user or you need a time and date requirement in your application. So we will be showing a date and time picker so that the user can directly select the date and time rather than entering them, so that they will be according to the formats. So here we need to add a plugin flutter underscore date time underscore picker here, and next we need to jump into the coding now. So now let us see. So here we are defining a custom picker here. So here we have provided the design of how a date and time picker should be. So here we are providing the dividers here, left and right dividers, and the layout proportions here. And here you can see the string indexes for left, middle and right, and these are all the things you can change according to your requirement once you go through the code. So here now let us see how we are implementing. So here in the my app class, which is extending a stateless widget, we are returning a material app here. So here after creating a state for the my home page state class, so here in the center we have provided a button and a text field here, so that whenever you click on the button, the date and time picker will be populated and you can select the appropriate time and date, and after selecting that, that will be displayed onto a text widget here. So now let us see the output once here. So the screen looks like this. So here this is a select date and time button here. When you tap on the button, you can load this particular thing. So first we will be seeing the how to pick the date here. So here the month, day and the year is been there. So when you tap on the done button, so now once see the output here. So when you tap on the select date and time, a picker will be loaded from where you can be selecting the date and the time, and when you tap on the done button, it will be updated onto your screen here. So in this way it will be updated, and here you have different pickers here again for date and time, and for only for date you can use this particular picker here. So when you tap on this, only the dates will be populated, and also so show time in 12 hours, so it will be showing in the format of 12 hours. So here you can see, so these are the different pickers available when you use this particular plugin. So whenever you pick any date, so here with the help of set state, we are storing that particular value here in the date and time variable. So based on your, if you are selecting date and time, you are providing the date and time variable here. So you are storing the date and you are passing the date to this particular widget here, and here with the help of this widget we are populating it to the text view here. So this is how we implement a date and time picker in the Flutter. So the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below, and if you are having any queries in the implementation, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.